In this tutorial, we'll learn how to install Laravel, along with setting up VS Code, Composer, and XAMPP on your system. Let's get started. First, let's download XAMPP. Open your browser and go to apachefriends.org. You can also search for XAMPP on Google to find the website. Once you're there, click the download button for Windows, and the download will start automatically. Next, we'll download Composer. Go to getcomposer.org or search for Composer on Google. I'll include links to all these tools in the description so you can find them easily. On the Composer website, click Download. Now, click on the link to download setup.exe. Now, let's download VS Code. Visit code.visualstudio.com or search VS Code to find the website. Once there, click the Download button for Windows, and the process will start. Now that we've downloaded XAMPP Composer and VS Code, let's install them. Starting with XAMPP, double-click the XAMPP.exe file to begin installation. If you see a warning pop up, just click OK to proceed. Follow the setup wizard by clicking Next on each screen. By default, XAMPP will install to the C XAMPP folder, and that's fine. Just leave it as is and continue. Once the installation begins, wait for it to finish. And when it's done, click Finish to open XAMPP. Now, XAMPP is installed and ready to use. Next, let's install Composer. Double-click the Composer setup.exe file to start. You'll see an option to install it for all users. Select that and click Next. Composer will automatically detect the PHP installation from XAMPP, so you'll see it pick up the php.exe file. If PHP hasn't been added to your system's path yet, you'll see an option to do that here. If you're not sure, it's a good idea to check the box and let Composer handle it for you. Once that's done, click Install, and Composer will be set up. When the installation finishes, click Finish, and you're good to go. Finally, let's install VS Code. Double-click the installer and follow the prompts. Accept the license agreement. Click through the default settings and start the installation. Once it's done, click Finish to open VS Code. Now that XAMPP, Composer, and VS Code are installed, we can move on to Laravel. Git is a popular version control tool and a prerequisite for Laravel. So let's begin by installing Git. Search for Git in your browser and download it from the official website. The Git installer includes many steps, but you can safely select the default options for all of them. Now that Git is installed, let's move on to Laravel itself. Let's get back to Visual Studio Code and create a new folder in which we'll create our Laravel project. Let's open the built-in terminal by selecting Terminal from the menu, then choosing New Terminal. Now let's head over to the Laravel website. On the website, click Get Started and scroll down to find the installation command. Composer Global require Laravel's installer. Copy that command, open VS Code, and paste it into the terminal to run it. This will install Laravel globally on your system. Once Laravel is installed on your system, you can create a new Laravel project using the command Laravel new, followed by a name of your choice for the project. It will take a short while, and then our Laravel project will be created. The Laravel project has been created, and we can now explore its files and folders, including controllers, models, views, and routes. Next, let's switch to the XAMPP control panel and start both Apache and MySQL. We now need to navigate to the folder containing the Laravel project, and then we can serve it using the command php artisan serve. We receive a link, and we need to press Control and click on it to follow the link and open our new Laravel app in the web browser. And here it is, our brand new Laravel app up and running. Thanks for watching. Now, go ahead and create something amazing.